just killer. Again, depth, precision, repeatable, quality.
I was incredibly impressed by the amount of output out of the system, what it can handle. I think there's a lot of room for it in my business.
The subs were crisp on the VTX, something wasn't expecting. And compared to previous generations, things I've heard in the JBL, I was really excited to hear about this. And it sounded amazing.